Alex and Jemai encounter was nothing short of serendipitous. It happened at the city's Grand Charity Gala, an event designed to raise funds for a local youth center. The room was alive with the soft clinking of glasses, the hum of polite conversation, and the rustle of elegant gowns. Amid this opulent setting, Alex, with his striking blue eyes and effortless charm, found himself drawn to Jemai, who was standing by a silent auction table, fervently discussing the merits of the charity's cause. Jemai was a vision in a deep red dress, her airborne hair cascading in soft waves. Her enthusiasm was infectious, and Alex couldn't help but approach her. Intrigued by her genuine passion, they struck up a conversation that flowed with ease. Their chemistry was undeniable. By the end of the evening, they had exchanged numbers. Their connection was electric and was promising. Jemai posted a photo of their first caption on her Instagram page. The caption reads, "Sometimes you meet someone who makes the night unforgettable." The photo, capturing their radiant smiles against the backdrop of the event's grandeur, quickly went viral. Within hours, their image appeared on various social media platforms, and Alex and Jemai found themselves thrust into the spotlight. Their newfound fame was intoxicating. Invitations to exclusive events, talk shows, and brand endorsements poured in. The media was captivated by the seemingly perfect romance, and their social media accounts began to overflow with messages from adoring fans. Each post was meticulously curated to showcase their luscious dates and heartfelt moments, creating an image of a fairy tale romance that everyone wanted to be part of. Yet, behind the scenes, the pressure to maintain this perfect facade was beginning to take its toll. Alex and Jemai found themselves increasingly stressed, constantly striving to keep up appearances. Their private lives were overshadowed by their public personality, and the cracks in their relationship began to show. Arguments, which was once rare, became more frequent. They fought over trivial matters, but always managed to patch things up before stepping into the public eyes. Jemai's growing desire for independence clashed with Alex's insecurity and jealousy, creating an unspoken rift between them. The strain was palpable, but neither was willing to admit that the relationship was faltering. One evening, after a particularly intense argument, Jemai stepped out of the apartment, leaving Alex alone in the dimly lit living room. The argument had been about Jemai's increasing need for space, which Alex interpreted as a sign of her wanting to distance herself. As Jemai walked out into the chilly night, Alex's frustration boiled over, and he slammed the door behind her. Their private struggles were becoming harder to conceal. Jemai's frustration with the conscience of their public image grew, while Alex's feelings of inadequacy and jealousy intensified. Their once glamorous romance was beginning to become a source of tension rather than joy. The breaking point came when a video of their explosive argument was inadvertently captured by a fan passing by their apartment. The breaking point came when a video of their explosive argument was inadvertently captured by a fan passing by their apartment. The footage showing Jemai and Alex at their worst was posted online and quickly went viral. The public, once enamored with their perfect image, now watched with a mix of shock and amusement as their relationship unraveled before their eyes. The media frenzy that followed was relentless. Endless headlines screamed about the couple's fall from grace, and invasive stories about their personal lives filled every media news outlet. Alex and Jemai were bombarded with questions and accusations. Their public personality was shattered by every scandal that tried to avoid it. In the midst of the chaos, the truth came to light. Jemai had been orchestrating their relationship to boost her career, manipulating Alex in the process. She had used his genuine affection and their shared public image as tools to advance her own fame. The revelation was a bombshell, leaving the public stunned and leading to a significant backshell against Jemai. As the dust settled, Alex retreated from the limelight and choosing to focus on personal growth and rebuilding his life away from the media's glare. It took time to reflect on the relationship and its impact on his self-worth. Jemai, on the other hand, faced the consequences of her actions. Her career, which was once on the rise, suffered a severe blow, and she was left to deal with the fallout of her choices. Months later, Alex found a new sense of purpose. He had distanced himself from the world of social media and the pressures of public life.